How to design a geometric fox using Illustrator. First, I'm going to find some designs that I like for reference. I'm not going to copy these designs, but I will refer to them during the design process. I am just copying the image from Google and pasting it into my Illustrator document. Next, I'm going to search for fox pictures to find a couple that I like and that I think will make good geometric shapes. Now I will select the pen tool and set the fill to transparent and the outline to black. I will be using the pen tool to create the entire fox and we'll start with its ears. The ears are simply two triangles. Now I'm making a line to connect the ears. To end a line segment without making a closed shape, you can click on a different tool and then click back on the pen tool to continue. Or you can also hold down the Control button or Command key and click anywhere on the artboard. I'm using the rulers to make sure certain elements align on both sides. I'm finished with the head, so I'll create some random triangles for the body of the fox. You can lower the opacity of your reference image to see your design. In doing so, I noticed the curves on the face make the design look more like an owl than a fox. So I'm going to change that part of my design. Since some of my line sections have joints, I'm having the issue of my points extending beyond the other line when I increase the stroke. If you click the stroke, you can select rounded corners and it will take care of that problem. I think the rounded corners suit this design, so I'm going to round all of the corners of the fox. We're almost finished. I'll clean up my artboard by deleting my reference images, and finally I want to make this design easy to scale and change colors by making it a fillable object. To do that, I'll click Object, go down to Path, and select Outline Stroke. This creates one fillable shape instead of a bunch of separate strokes that are hard to scale and fill. And that's how you can design a geometric fox using Illustrator. Here are some mock-ups of how this design could be used. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more graphic design tutorials.